My name is MarkRolton. I'm excited to invite you to an event I'm running very soon. It's called More Than Money. And this is now you being prepared for the wave that's about to crash on Australian shores. This is our fragile economy and what's now going to blow up the middle class and completely wipe them out. You're going to learn the intricacies of how to get on the front foot and not just future-proof your family and your money going forward, but how to make opportunity of this. Coming from an apprentice carpenter living in Dapto to building a $100 million empire today, I've learned some things and I've struggled some as well. And those pieces that I want to now share with you look a little bit like this. Session 1 of the first day is going to be about how, Mark, do I tap into my primal purpose? You and I are built for a cause. And how do I now impregnate that idea into how I show up in business, commerce, and life? Session 2 is a deep dive into money mindset. How is it that people win in the game of money? My mindset was horrific when I started. My parents would argue about bills on the fridge. You know that story, right? What are those scars? What's that trauma, that money trauma that's been holding you back? How do we switch that? How do we burn those ideas and beliefs at the stake? Session 3 is all about budgeting and how I set up my month. I want to ensure now that my income far exceeds my expenses. How do I chisel back those expenses? How to become intelligent and resourceful around the topic of money? How can I deploy that now that I'm strong at budgeting and I'm responsible with my money? Session 4 is about wealth strategies and investment. What sort of side hustles can I produce? Where am I making money from? What opportunities are on the horizon available to me right now, where I don't need a lot of money to get started? And I'll be showing you how to take control owned by businesses that are struggling today. And I'll be giving you a due diligence template where you can measure the performance of that business, take control of it, earn the cash flow, and then ride the wave into 24. Session 5, entrepreneurship. Why is it that some people totally win at life? Entrepreneurs are a unique breed. What are the beliefs that we have? How do we carry ourselves? What do we think when it comes to money? Opportunity. How can I, Mark, slice and dice my time where I'm getting multiple revenue streams through the door every single day? Session 6, how do I now, Mark, retire? When I look at the forecast, the next 25, 40 years, what are the opportunities on the horizon? And I'll be laying out my investment portfolio there. I'll show you how a $100 million portfolio functions, how I entered particular segments, how I maximize and how I monetize those deliveries today. You'll walk out of this day prepared. You'll walk out of this day with a very different position in how you make money. And I'm excited for you because I know what the future holds when you've got that level of knowledge and wisdom. Now it's your turn. Click on the link below. Get yourself a seat. There's only 1,000 available right now. They're disappearing very fast. This is your call to action. It's a digital delivery event. You can watch it from anywhere that you so wish. I look forward to seeing you at that event. And more importantly, I look forward to hearing about your results real soon. Be well. Happy investing.